Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel.
Thank you, glad to be here.
Here you are welcome, Bob. Hello to my 5 sisters in alphabetical order. I miss y'all. A quick hello to Darla, Denise, Lisa, Tammy, Valerie. Today, I want to tell everyone about a service that you probably already use. I've been using this service for 15 years now. Today, we're diving deep into something that could seriously change the way you shop and save money: the Walmart Plus membership. Honestly, the benefits are just too good not to share. We're going to break down every single perk, from saving on groceries to getting exclusive deals.
What about tire repair?
Yes, Bob, with Walmart Plus membership, you get free tire repair even if you didn't buy the tire from Walmart. Trust me, you'll want to stick around to see how much value is packed into this membership. Ready to unlock some serious savings? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the core benefits that most people know and love: the delivery perks. With Walmart Plus, you get free delivery from your local store. Imagine this: you're making dinner and you realize you're out of a key ingredient. Instead of dropping everything and running to the store, you can just hop on the app, place your order, and have it delivered right to your doorstep within just a few hours, with no delivery fees on orders over $35.
That happens to me all the time. Just the other day, I was making roasting taters with carrots, and I plumb forgot the roast was frozen like a old big rock.
Yes, Bob. It is a total game changer for busy families or anyone who just wants to save time.
Or you're just being lazy.
Yes, Bob, that too. But what if your order is less than $35, or you just need 1 or 2 things from Walmart.com, not your local store? That's where the next benefit comes in: free shipping with no order minimum required. That's right. Whether you need a new phone charger, a book, or a specific brand of coffee, you can get it shipped to you for free. Ready to get started? Just click the link below to sign up. Only $12.95 a month. Or upgrade anytime to yearly and save over $50. This excludes marketplace items, but for the vast majority of products sold by Walmart, you're covered. This perk alone has saved me so much money on shipping fees that I used to pay on other sites.
Yes, I have saved almost $677 this year alone.
Yes, Bob, it makes impulse buys a little less guilty and planned purchases way more convenient. Now, let's move on to something that I think is incredibly underrated: returns from home. We've all been there. You buy something, it's not quite right, and the thought of packing it up, finding the receipt, and driving back to the store to stand in the customer service line is just exhausting. Well, with Walmart Plus, you can say goodbye to that hassle. You simply start the return in the app, schedule a pickup, and a Walmart delivery driver will come to your house, grab the item, and handle the rest. You don't even need a box or a label. It saves time, effort, and a whole lot of frustration. This is modern convenience at its absolute best. And for those of you who still enjoy the in-store shopping experience, there's a feature for you too: mobile scan and go. When you're in a Walmart store, you can open your Walmart app, scan the barcodes of your items as you put them in your cart, and pay directly on your phone. Then you just head to the self-checkout area, scan a final QR code, and you're on your way. No more unloading your entire cart onto the conveyor belt and then loading it all back up again. It makes checkout incredibly fast and seamless, especially when you're in a hurry. I use this all the time for my quick trips, and it feels like I have a VIP checkout lane. Okay, let's talk about savings that go beyond the grocery aisle. A huge one is member prices on fuel. With Walmart Plus, you can save up to 10 cents per gallon at over 14,000 fuel stations nationwide, including Exxon, Mobil, Murphy USA, and of course Walmart gas stations. You just open the Walmart app, follow the instructions, and the discount is applied right at the pump. If you commute to work or take road trips, these savings add up incredibly fast. Over the course of a year, this could easily save you hundreds of dollars, potentially covering the entire cost of the membership itself. It's a no-brainer. Now, for a newer benefit that really boosts the value, a Paramount Plus subscription is included with your Walmart Plus membership. That's right, you get access to the entire Paramount Plus library of blockbuster movies, exclusive original series, and live sports at no extra cost. So after you've saved money on your groceries and gas, you can kick back and watch the latest season of your favorite show or have a family movie night. This is a streaming service that would normally cost you from $59 to $119 per year, but with Walmart Plus, it's just part of the package. It's an entertainment perk that makes the membership feel even more comprehensive. But the perks don't stop there. Are you a pet owner? Walmart Plus has you covered with 24/7 unlimited access to free online pet care through PAWP. You can connect with veterinary professionals anytime, day or night, to get advice and peace of mind about your furry friends. Whether you have a question about their diet, a strange behavior, or a minor health concern, you can get expert help without the stress or cost of an emergency vet visit. For pet parents, this benefit alone is absolutely invaluable. PAWP is available for all active Walmart Plus members and can be activated through the Walmart Plus Benefits Hub. The membership includes unlimited, zero-cost virtual vet visits, support for ongoing care plans, and personalized recommendations for pets. Current PAWP members can link their accounts to Walmart Plus. If signing up directly, accounts can be switched in the PAWP app. Members can also choose to upgrade with an optional PAWP Emergency Protection add-on, which covers up to $3,000 for one life-threatening emergency annually for up to 6 pets per household. Select Get Started and follow the account setup prompts. Download the PAWP app to begin using the service, and the savings continue to branch out. How about a discount on your lunch? Walmart Plus members get 25% off digital orders from Burger King every single day. You just place your order through the BK app or website and apply the code. It is a fantastic little bonus for those days when you don't feel like cooking and want a quick, affordable meal. It is one of those unexpected perks that you will find yourself using more often than you think. Let's not forget about your health. The membership also includes free pharmacy delivery. You can get your prescriptions delivered right to your door, often as soon as the same day, with no order minimum required. This is incredibly helpful for anyone with mobility issues, parents with sick kids at home, or frankly, anyone who just wants a more convenient way to manage their prescriptions. It's secure, private, and takes one more errand off your to-do list. Thinking about taking a vacation? Your membership can help with that too. Walmart Plus Travel, powered by Expedia, gives members exclusive access to travel deals. You can earn 5% Walmart cash on hotels, vacation rentals and car rentals, and 2% Walmart cash on flights when you book through the Walmart Plus travel portal. That Walmart cash can then be used on future purchases at Walmart. So you're essentially getting paid to book your vacation. It's a fantastic way to make your travel budget stretch further, and for your car, the benefits keep rolling. Through the Auto Care Center, Walmart Plus members often get special perks like free flat tire repair and free road hazard warranty on tires purchased at Walmart. Taking care of your car can be expensive, so having these built-in savings provides extra security and helps you keep your vehicle in top shape for less. Now, let's talk about the biggest shopping events. One of the most exciting perks of being a Walmart Plus member is getting early access to major sales events, like Black Friday deals. While everyone else is waiting for the deals to go live, you get to shop first. For example, during big sales, members often get access to the hottest deals hours before the general public. This is your golden ticket to snagging those high-demand items, like new gaming consoles, TVs, and popular toys, before they sell out. The early access benefit alone can be worth the membership fee if you snag a great deal on a big-ticket item you were already planning to buy. Your early access begins in 3 days on October 6th, if you are watching this on October 3rd. To maximize your savings even further, consider the Capital One Walmart Rewards Card. As a Walmart Plus member using this card, you earn an incredible 5% cashback on all your purchases at walmart.com. That includes groceries, electronics, clothes, everything. You also get 2% cashback at Walmart stores, on restaurants, and on travel. That's on top of all the other savings we've discussed. When you stack the 5% cashback with the free shipping and delivery, the savings become truly astronomical. It's the ultimate savings combination. So let's recap everything you get with a Walmart Plus membership. Free delivery from your store, free shipping with no minimum, returns from home, mobile scan and go for faster checkout, member savings on fuel, a free Paramount Plus subscription, 24/7 online pet care, discounts at Burger King, free pharmacy delivery, travel perks with Walmart Plus travel, auto care benefits, and of course, exclusive early access to the best deals. When you add it all up, the value is just undeniable. It's more than just a delivery service. It's a complete lifestyle membership that saves you time, money, and hassle in so many different areas of your life. Whether you're a busy parent, a young professional, a student, or a retiree, there are benefits in this package that will make your life easier. If you've been on the fence about it, I highly recommend giving it a try. I'm confident that once you see how much you use it, you won't want to go back. That's all for today's deep dive. I hope this breakdown was helpful. If you have a Walmart Plus membership, let me know in the comments what your favorite benefit is. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. We'll see you in the next one.